The question is, the systems that are 10 to 12, 15 years old, do I repair or do I replace my systems? Let me give you a scenario. We go out to a home and they're going to need about $2,000 worth of repairs. When we look at their existing air conditioner system, the Department of Energy says that they'll save 20 to 40% on heating and cooling costs by going to a new air conditioner system. So if their air conditioning and heating costs cost them about $4,000 a year in utility costs, then we're going to save, let's say 20%. That's $800 a year, $2,400 a year for the next 3 years to do that. They're also going to have the repair costs in the next 3 years that are probably similar to the repair costs they're dealing with today, but let's call that $2,000 to $2,500. So about $6,000 to $8,000